I actually got this from Steve Sarkisian, the current Longhorns coach. He got it from Nick Saban, who's one of the winningest coaches of all time. It's a very simple formula. Trust is time plus consistency. I love this because whenever I hear trust in like a training environment, I think of those old trust fall exercises from the corporate world. Never really built trust in me. A very simple thing, if we can be consistent over time, our brains desire consistency. So there's ways that you can leverage this equation. And again, there's great ways EOS does it. You create trust by documenting your vision. It can be a daunting process the first time you do it. Out of the people that have documented their vision, how many initially were like, oh God, this is going to be hard? By the way, quick plug, we have a little AI helper that can make that process 5 minutes, not kidding. But the key idea here is when you have your vision in place, when you get a 1-year plan in place and say, this is our vision, these are our guardrails through our core values, these are the numbers we're going to look at, our scorecard, and here's exactly how we're going to set our goals for the year and what we're going to do quarter after quarter, you're creating consistency. When your vision's consistent and you keep coming back to it, you create trust. Keep talking about that vision. When trouble comes up or the unexpected or disruption, when you know that you're on this path, you're feeding that prefrontal cortex the story it needs to go tell the rest of the brain, no, it's good, we got this. Even though there's a lot of change around us, I know that this doesn't change, or if it does, it only slightly tweaks.
By the way, ResultMaps gives you simple tools that help you leverage the math of trust and that work the way your brain works, with features like these. Your people, focused on what matters. Get started for free today at ResultMaps.com.